Imagine you're a superhero, but instead of fighting crime, you're battling debt and saving money. That's essentially what pocketguard does for you. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like there's just too much to keep track of? Bills, savings, spending, it can be a real headache. That's where pocketguard comes in. It's your personal finance superhero, here to save the day. What is pocketguard? pocketguard is a budgeting app that helps you manage your money more effectively. It's like having a personal financial advisor right in your pocket. Here's how it works. Automatic tracking. pocketguard automatically connects to your bank accounts to track your income and expenses. No more manual entry or spreadsheets. Budgets. You can set custom budgets for different categories like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. pocketguard will alert you when you're close to reaching your limits. Spending insights. The app provides detailed insights into your spending habits, helping you identify areas where you can cut back. Savings goals. Set savings goals and watch your progress grow over time. pocketguard can even suggest ways to save more. Benefits of using pocketguard. Stress reduction. Managing your finances can be stressful. pocketguard takes the hassle out of it, giving you peace of mind. Increased savings. By tracking your spending and setting goals, you'll be able to save more money than ever before. Improved financial health. pocketguard helps you develop healthy financial habits that can benefit you for years to come. How to get started with pocketguard. Download the app. pocketguard is available for both iOS and Android devices. Connect your accounts. Link your bank accounts to start tracking your income and expenses. Set budgets. Create budgets for different categories based on your financial goals. Start saving. Set savings goals and watch your progress grow. pocketguard is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. Whether you're trying to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or simply improve your financial health, pocketguard is here to help. So, what are you waiting for? Download pocketguard today and start your journey to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.